Hi guys, just wanted to do a look really quick with you with the Copacetic Cosmetics Elysian palette with Copacetic and basket case. This is what it looks like. I've used it once, but I am super excited to show you what I come up with. So let's see, I've already primed my eyes. I am going to go into the shade here, this green one. So let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out as much as I can. And I've already done all of my base makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do one eye with you. And I'll finish it up and come back here at the end. So I just use a big fluffy brush with this. And with my eyes, I like to put it right above my crease. See, when I open my eye, I want to be able to see the color. So that is why I do it that way. And then I'm going to go ahead and swish it off with my color switch. And I think there's just a little bit of fallout in that pan. I think I'm going to go into this turquoise color. Let's see, the color is Spectral, and then that first color is Broken Dreams. So I'm gonna go into that color and kind of just place it on my outer V. I'm still gonna use this big fluffy brush because I kind of want like a wash of color. I don't want it to be super, I mean, I want it to be pigmented, but I don't want it to overtake the entire look. I really want that green, that first shade to still stand out. I'm going to go back in with that lighter green and kind of blend out the edges, because I don't want that color to be lost. And now I'm going back in with that darker green again. And just placing it probably to like the middle of the lid. Just right there, I think. Alright, so maybe I do need just blend out the edge here to blend it out a little bit more. I have a little bit of fallout on my face. And you'll wipe that off. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that more turquoisey shade and I'm just gonna run that along my lower lash. Palette is a little messy. This isn't the first time I've used it though. And the first time I used it, it worked out great. So now I'm going to use this more compact brush with that turquoise shade. I think I am going to have to use that to pack the color in the outer corner to about the middle. Alright, and I'm going to take that dark blue, which looks like this right here. Take a very tiny bit, very tiny bit, And tap off the excess. And I'll put that on the very, 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 very outer edge. Just a very outer portion. And to get a tiny bit more. Just build this up a little bit. Okay, now just take a little tiny bit more.
Mom,
Hi, baby.
I missed you.
I missed you.
What did you do?
I'm kind of just mixing those. What are you doing, Belle? Okay, well, I'm going to take that blending brush with no additional product. Okay, so I'm going to go back into that turquoise color and see, with a lot of times with shadow, you'd have to keep going back and forth with different colors so that those specific colors can stand out. And back and forth with your brushes as well. Now I'm going to go into that lime green color and just put it back in and kind of reinforce the color. Okay, now I'm going to go actually back into that turquoise color and take it underneath my lash line. We always make the funniest faces when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know if you do. So that's what that looks like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and color switch that and then take one of these beautiful multi-chromes for, I think I'm gonna go with this one here for the lid. Okay, so the name of that one is Flotaru. I don't know if I'm gonna say that, if that is being said correctly or not, but so this is what that looks like on my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it just with water. And then I'm gonna start putting that on the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that, that's crazy. It looks so like shiny. I can't even explain it. And go back into that shade. I'm going to put that on my inner corner as well. And then a little bit underneath. Wow, that shadow like just really shines. Alright, so I will be back. I'm going to go do the other eye and put on some lashes and maybe liner, or not put on lashes, just put on mascara and a lip, and then I'll be back to show you the finished result. Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. My kids are playing in the background. I used on my lashes the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I took that lid shade and I put it in my underneath my eyebrow, and then for my waterline I used this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Gotcha. See that? And then for my lips, I used this Iconic London gloss. So let me know what you think. I hope that you enjoyed this look with Copacetic Cosmetics Elysian palette with basket case. And please do me a favor and like down below, and then as well go follow me on Instagram. I gotta go. My kids are going crazy. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.